Hello everyone, I am Samroz. You are watching Indian Samroz official. Welcome back to your channel. Yeah, you listen right your channel. Today I will talk about how to speak fluent English only in 15 days. Yeah, you listen right, only in 15 days you will be able to speak fluent English. Now I am going to tell about 5 the most important things which really helps us to improve our English. Let's understand. First thing is listening. Whenever you are free, please listen any speech in English language on YouTube. You will spend all data while watching so many videos. Now you will watch and listen by today. Second thing is repeat. Yes, revision, which reminds it today. Many a child copied or mimicry of another person in childhood, which reminds it always today, even today. We had to repeat revision whatever you listen. Now third thing is reading. Yeah, reading is most important. Whenever we read, our eyes recognize and mind understand all words, sentences, and paragraph. So you will have to read English. Definitely, you will see to improve your English. Yes, fourth thing is speaking. Whatever you listen or read, you will have to speak in English without any fear. Now let's practice at your home. Take your mobile phone, and tap on voice recorder. Record your sentence, only sentence, okay? And after recording it, please listen carefully and mark your mistakes. Now you will see to improve your English. Now you are thinking about fifth tips. Fifth tips is teaching. If you want to speak fluent English, you will have to teach your sisters, brothers at your home. Even you can teach yourself. So you will see to improve your English. If you will follow all these tips, then you can speak fluent English only in 15 days. Thanks for watching.